Hey there martial arts enthusiasts, welcome back to all Modren Martial Techniques. Today we have something super exciting lined up for you. We're diving into the world of martial arts with none other than the legendary Jackie Chan. In this video we'll uncover Jackie Chan's best martial arts tips for beginners, so whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because we've got some golden nuggets of wisdom coming your way. Hi, I'm Jesse, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's jump right into it. Jackie Chan best martial arts tips for beginners. Jackie Chan is a household name when it comes to martial arts and action movies. But beyond his incredible stunts and choreography, Jackie has a wealth of knowledge to share, especially for those just starting their martial arts journey. Let's break down his top tips. 1. Master the basics. Tip number 1. Master the basics. Jackie Chan always emphasizes the importance of a strong foundation. Before you can perform those amazing flips and kicks, you need to get the basics right. This includes stances, punches, kicks, and blocks. Spend time perfecting these fundamental moves. It might seem repetitive, but trust me, it's worth it. Jackie often says that understanding the basics not only improves your technique but also builds your confidence. So practice, practice, and practice some more. 2. Flexibility is key. Next up, flexibility. Jackie Chan is incredibly flexible, and it's one of the reasons he can perform such breathtaking stunts. Incorporate stretching exercises into your daily routine. Flexibility helps prevent injuries and allows you to execute moves with more precision and grace. Remember, stretching isn't just about doing splits. Focus on different muscle groups and ensure you're stretching properly to avoid any strains. 3. Conditioning and strength training. Tip number 3 is all about conditioning and strength training. Jackie Chan training involves a lot of strength building exercises. You don't need a fancy gym for this. Body weight exercises like push-ups, sit-ups, squats, and planks are great to start with. Strength training not only boosts your power but also enhances your overall martial arts performance. So make sure to include these in your training regimen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep kicking and stay awesome.